Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 16 Ram 1500. It was a vehicle from the state of South Dakota. When we bought it, the motor turned out to be weak, so it has a used motor with only 68,000 miles on it. Body's in pretty good shape. It's got a great shine to it. We did an Xkote Paint Correction on it, so it just gives it an awesome shine. A few little hail dings in it, but not a ton. A few little rock chips, and you'll see a bigger scratch here and there, but not many. Really good looking truck for 178,000 miles. There's a little bit of rip on the seam there. 176, Power windows and locks is an SV. So an SV has the rubber seat in the back and rubber mat. So like there's a bigger scratch. So you're gonna have a few of them. We put aftermarket wheels on it, spraying bed liner. So pretty good looking truck for a fleet vehicle that I had that's got 170,000 miles. Runs great since we put the used motor in it. And like I said, body's got a great shine to it. You can see my reflection. And then just a few chips and minor scratches. So good affordable truck, under 15 grand. So you can get a crew cab for not a lot of money. Comes with a 3-month 3,000 mile drivetrain warranty. So I'll put on this one, even though it's got quite a few miles, we'll still stand behind it. 605-692-7010.